Hey, it's Steve here with Yard Boss, and we're out here with Nick today, who's doing an ash borer drench treatment. If you don't know what ash borer is a small insect that sits behind the bark of your ash trees, and it creates essentially a bunch of little tunnels that interrupt the xylem and phloem, which are basically the arteries that bring the nutrients and the water to the canopy of the tree. Once those are disrupted, your tree cannot bring the nutrients to the top. So we do a drench. He's got a product in that water, and he's soaking the soil underneath the canopy of the tree, and then the tree will take that up into its roots and then up into the canopy. And if there's any insects in that tree, any of the ash borer, it will take care of those on its way. We do these typically once a year. About any time of the year is just fine, but ideally in the spring of the year, because the trees are taking up a lot of moisture and they more easily take up the product that we're doing. So I'm gonna flip this around and explain a little bit more what he's doing and show you an ash tree. So as you can see, as we zoom out, you can see the tree, and he's focused on all of the drip line, because that's typically where the roots of your tree are. He's going to do this side of the fence, and then when he's done with this, he'll go into the customer's house, into the customer's backyard, and work on the other side of the fence, getting the rest of the tree. The aftercare on this is we do want you guys to water well for 7 days afterwards underneath the canopy of the tree. That's going to help push the product down into the soil and allow the tree to uptake it much better. If you got more questions about ash borer drenches, just let us know.